Vanli sent this docking station. It's a bracket docking station, and they sent it for our review. And this thing is really, really cool. It's actually extremely sturdy, made of aluminum. It is very, very tough, and I love how it rotates, and you can hear all the increments of the rotation. It does rotate completely 360, which is really cool. And the nice thing is that it folds down, albeit you need to give it a little bit more of that, weight, because once you fold it up, or actually open it up, and I'm going to open it up just like that, and then put it in the angle that you want, obviously, and you put a 13, 14, 15, 16, even a 17-inch laptop on this, it will withstand the weight. And I'll show you. I've got a pretty heavy old school 16-inch MacBook Pro right here, and it fits perfectly. As you can tell, I can rotate it. I can have it open. It's not going to, look at this huge screen, right? Look at that. Perfect. It is not kind of like failing or trying to like close up. It's perfect for presentations. Perfect if you want to be kind of like upright and a little bit more elevated from your desk. I love this for many reasons. And for me, it's the kind of like the perfect, like I want to bring it just a bit down, and I'll have the perfect kind of like setup for my wrist, for the way I can type on it. Very, very ergonomic and extremely easy to use and set up. But the really nice thing too is that they do have, as you can see right here, look at that. You've got 3 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's. They do provide you with the cable. So what happens is that you will plug this USB-C to your laptop, obviously. And once you actually hook it up, and I'll show you, that's what I love about this, is that it is also a docking station, right? For multiple peripherals. So I will, and I'm just going to be careful with the mic right here, I will show you right here. I'm going to actually plug it in, and now my MacBook has been plugged into the docking station. So what that means is that I've opened up a bunch of different sockets or inputs or outputs to be able to plug in the USB-C into the power source, and then I can have like hard drives and other peripherals connected to my MacBook, when my MacBook will only have this one input out of its USB-C, which I really, really enjoy. I think it's a really nice thing. Love how, again, how sturdy it is. I think it's great for that. And I can't stop just like rotating it like this, because it does feel very industrial, and it's super cool looking as well. Love that it's really easy to set up, and I highly recommend it. This thing is super cool.